Okay. Hi friends! Hope that you are fine today. Okay. Today's meeting will have a new material. Is it about annotating passage? Okay. What is actually annotating passage? Here. Annotating passage, or sometimes someone calls it like a close reading. And then annotating passage also an action to interact with any text to enhance student understanding to some text. And usually annotation edits involve like highlighting or underlining an important terms of text, and to make you more understand what actually annotating is, edits take notes or taking notes. Okay. Next, the purpose of annotating. Here there are some purposes of annotating passage. The first one, annotating passage to promote student interest in reading and give learners a focused purpose of reading. And then it is support readers' ability to clarify and synthesize idea and capture analytical thinking about text. Annotation or annotating also like gives student a clear purpose of text, and then it helps learners comprehend difficult material and engaging with text. And next, and the last is to make the reader understand what is happening in a text when you come back to it. It means like when you read the book for the first time and then you annotate that books, it will help you to understand what is happening in a text. So you don't need to read again from the first page until the end to make you understand what's actually the story tells about, because before you have annotate that books, so you only need to read that notes that have you done before. Okay, that's all. And then the next is the procedure in annotating passage. Actually, the procedure is like read the text quickly to get a sense of what is the text about. Mark anything that you think are confusing or important or surprising or interesting, because it helps you to make a summary in the margins of a text of each paragraph or subtopic. If is it like a text in one paper, you can make a summary in each paragraph. But if is it like books, you can write the summary in each subtopic or each bab. Okay? And then there are some techniques used in annotate text. There are many techniques used to annotate text. We can use a symbol or a line or code or colors. It is depends readers wants, but we have some technique that usually used to annotate a text. The first one, underline the important terms and then circle definition and meaning, and write the keywords and definition in the margin, and we can signal where important information can be found with keywords or symbol in the margin, and then write short summary in the margin at the end of subunits. As I said before, if visit only one paper, you can write a short summary in each paragraph. But if visit book, maybe subtopics, subunits, or in each bab. Okay, and then write the question in the margins next to the section where the answer is found. If there is like a statement you don't understand, just write it in the margin. And indicate indicate the last indicate step in the process by using numbers in the margin. Actually, there's so many techniques we can use to annotating. So, how to make word easy to differentiate whether this is the important terms, this is the definition, this one for meaning, this one for difficult word. So we can use this one, the code or format. We can use line, we can use color code, number, or symbols. Like color code, we use yellow color for important terms, and then blue color for definition, and gray for meanings, and then red for difficult word, and then purple for question mark or the statement you don't understand. Okay, you can also use numbers. Number 1 for important terms, number 2 for this one, number 3 for this one, to make you easy to differentiate. Okay, and then next one, what all can be annotated? Not only the text, not only books. We can also annotate poem, bibliography, YouTube video, and then article, and then graphic, anything that we can take notes on it. As I said before, annotating it is also called take notes. Okay, and then this is, I will show you the example of annotating passage. This is, there's a text. This text start with a quotation, so you can write down like this one, you can start with quotation, and then this one, this statement, this distrust leads to her being ignored and isolated. You can put the notes from what actually this statement tells. Maybe these are the key points. Okay, and then like this one, the yellow. However, the readers write the notes. However, why however? So, well, the reader confused. So to answer why this however, you can write it, the notes, and you can find it later. So it will help you understand what is the text tells about, like that. Okay, we jump to the next example. Here there's a short story or short text. Her name was Connie. She was 15 and she had a quick nervous giggling habit of craning her neck to glance into mirror. So the notes here, it is like like this one. Connie is a typical girl of 15 with a nervous giggle. So the readers take notes to make more understand what actually these statements tells about, like that. These ones also. Oh, next. Okay, but before I explain you about the assignment, I will give you some question. In like this, in annotating, there are 3 types of annotation, like descriptive, evaluative, and informative. Yes, 3 types of annotation. So can we use that 3 types when we annotate book, poem, bibliography, YouTube video, or anything, or only in some kind of things? Okay, can we use that types in annotates all the things, or how? Answer the question in the next meeting. Okay, I will explain to you about the assignment. So this assignment is you will annotate this text as you will annotate this text to make you more understand about annotating passage or annotating text. Okay, Next. Okay, we come to the end. Okay, thank you. See you on the next meeting.